Hi friends! Today I'm going to be making no-bake Sakura cheesecake. Smooth and creamy cheesecake and bouncy jelly on top. You can feel the delicate Sakura flavor and it's beautiful to look at it. You can feel the spring in your mouth. Let's get started. Today it's almost full bloom of Sakura and I went to Nara Park. It's 20 minutes from my place. I took some footage to show it to you. I will show you at the end of the video, so stay tuned. First, we are blooming the powdered gelatin. Sprinkle gelatin powder into the water and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Soften your cream cheese. Cream cheese is not easy to work with if it is cold, so what I'm going to do is put it in a hot bath covered for 10 minutes and cream it until smooth. Add sugar and stir it until smooth. Bring the milk to a boil and add the bloomed gelatin and dissolve. Pour 1/3 of the milk mixture while still hot and mix into the cream cheese mixture. Switch to whisk and whisk until smooth. Set aside. Whisk heavy cream until soft peaks form. Now let's combine the cream cheese mixture and whipped heavy cream together. If the cream cheese mixture starts setting, whisk until smooth or just put in the warm bath to loosen a little bit. Add heavy cream in 2 to 3 times and whisk until evenly incorporated. If your cream cheese mixture is too loose, put it in an ice bath to chill a few seconds and adjust the consistency. The consistency looks nice. Let's pour it into the mold. Even the surface and chill in the fridge for an hour. While chilling, let's make a cherry blossom jelly. I'm using agar-agar today, but you can always replace it with gelatin. I'll put the equivalent recipe for you in the description box below. Soak sakura petals in water to remove the salt. This sakura is edible, double-petal cherry blossom preserved in salt. It's quite an amount of salt. Remove all the salt granules and then take out the flower. Soak in fresh water for 10 minutes. In a small pan, add sugar and agar-agar powder. Mix well and pour water. Agar-agar powder is very small, so it's not easy to dissolve in water if you mix it just water. When you combine it with granulated sugar, it will dissolve in water evenly and you can make a lovely textured jelly. Bring it to a boil and turn off the heat. Leave it while we are preparing for sakura petal. Drain the sakura flower and separate the petals. While the jelly mix is still warm, add sakura petals and mix until evenly incorporated. Take out the cheesecake from the fridge and while the cherry mixture is still warm, pour it onto the cheesecake. In this way, the cake and jelly stick together. Chill in the freezer for 2 hours until the cake is half frozen. After 2 hours, place a little bit smaller circle made with cardboard underneath the cake and put it on a smaller cups. The cake mold is 12 cm in diameter, so put a 10 cm cup underneath. Use tomato can or something like that should be fine. Use a warm towel to release it from the mold. Transfer it onto the serving dish. And there you have it. Your no-bake Sakura cheesecake is done. Cut it with a warm knife. It is so beautiful and I'm so satisfied with this cake. The cheesecake layer is creamy but not too sweet, and the jelly is bouncy and full of sakura flavor. I love a little bit of saltiness in it. Every year, no matter what happens, sakura blooms and we enjoy seeing it and eating it. Nara is famous for the wild deer. In this season, the babies start to stroll around and they are so cute. I hope we can travel around the world again soon, so I'm waiting for you to come here. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!